Hi everyone, it's Shine again with a brand new deep dive. Today we're talking about the home feed, and I'm actually really excited to talk about it because it's my fervent belief that the unified feed will redefine what people think social media could do. I know that sounds like a bold claim, but bear with me as I explain. Okay, so to start, let's think about how social feeds on Twitter, Instagram, and every other app work. These feeds exist to sell ads. That's it. Plain and simple. The feed is designed to show you content that's interesting and addictive to you, so that as you're scrolling through it, it can also show you a bunch of ads that you are very likely to click on. Now, the way they do this is by tracking every time you like something, comment on it, or even how long you spend on a particular photo or video. All of that data is feeding a massive algorithm that is basically building a psychological profile about you. That profile knows pretty much everything you like and then uses that information to map your interests to things advertisers are selling. I think what's important to recognize here is that this algorithm and the profile it builds for you does not exist to benefit you. It exists only to benefit that company and its advertisers. What we're building at Unified is completely different. The Unified feed is built on two things. How can we help you affect positive change on the world? And how can we drive the growth of communities that are also doing the same thing? So how do we do this? First off, instead of putting a lot of weight on likes, views, and other superficial engagement metrics, we consider the ways you're actually taking action. So for starters, if you take action on, say, a climate change post, then the Unified feed will show you more posts about climate change because our algorithm now understands that you're more likely to take action on this issue. It will also be aware of what kinds of actions you're taking. If you're mostly attending events but aren't really interested in outreach type actions, it will prioritize content with events. All of this is designed to deliver you the ways you're best suited to make an impact. Second, if you're participating in discussions with a particular community, then our algorithm will prioritize content coming from that community. Essentially, it'll be trying to expose you to groups that are making an impact on issues that you care about. By doing all of this, the Unified feed will put you in the best position to join the movements that matter to you, and that so you can make meaningful contributions to them right away. Now, before we wrap up this video, there's one last big thing I want to tell you about Unified's home feed. There won't be any ads. Yeah, that's right. Instead of your feed being full of random brands trying to push things on you, it will just be stuff from people you care about. I think that's huge. It's what a social feed should be. Just hit after uninterrupted hit of awesome things you can do to make the world a better place. If that doesn't get you hyped about using Unified, I don't know what will. Okay, so that's all for the deep dive on the home feed. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, hit us up on our website at joinunified.us to check out a preview of the app and join our superfan community. Tune in next week when we'll go through another feature on the app. And if you have any questions about what we covered today, just let us know. We'd always love to hear from you. Thanks.